Hey, Brandon here. And so there was a feature released in Google Sheets in like 2020 that has surfaced lately in several meetings I've been in. And it's one of those things that I guess went under the radar and that not many people knew about. But it's super, super helpful. So if you're in that camp, we're going to go into it really quick. It's super easy. It's just column stats. And it's a quick way of being able to, to see some tallies and some information about your columns. So here I am in a project document. I want to go to data and then down to column stats. And you can see that I already have status highlighted. I'll move myself up here. And there's nothing whiz-bang or amazing about it. It just does some simple tallying so you can get information. So here, complete, executing, overcome by events, waiting for action, and I can go through the rows. So if I wanted to see like organizations next here, column D, this gives me, the layout of all the work that we do for each of the different departments that we work with. So really simple. There's not much to it. It'll give you the numeric breakdown plus a chart. And yeah, it's just really quick and super useful. So I hope that helps. It is kind of buried though, isn't it? Yeah, right there under data. Have a good one.